Did you see Street Fighter, the new one, 6?
I saw some dudes, cartoons just jacked.
Yes, they
just
had a trailer.
ripped.
They had a trailer.
And I heard, I think one of them's got a beard now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't follow Street Fighter.
Oh, okay.
I was just more along the lines of this logo. Since we were like talking about logos, Blue Later logos, this one kind of came to mind where they really changed the look of the Street Fighter logo to something that is completely different and very much looking like clip art.
Is the image on the right the new one?
On the left.
This one's the
They're
new
saying
Street
that
Fighter
they copied the $80 clip art on the right.
This is Adobe stock clip art. So
yeah,
really
but it doesn't
Look at this.
That's so cool.
This was so cool.
Yeah.
Wait, they went from this to that?
Yeah, they did.
This one, Street Fighter 5, was the most recent.
I think they're trying to modernize it, Mo.
I know, but that's really cool.
I think they're trying to be minimal, Mo. No?
I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't like it. I vote for the older stuff.
Hey, man, I was just trying to...
What, NFT? Comparing it to the NFT logo now.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that NFT had an official logo.
Yeah, that's the logo.
Who decided... Who got to decide that NFT gets a logo and it's going to be this logo?
I don't know.
It's the one I've been using for thumbnails, so it's the one.
Yeah, it's the... No, I hear you. It's the one. Yeah. I don't know. This is unfortunate. You think they're going to stick to it or now they're going to have to get rid of it?
I think they're going to stick to it.
Really?
Unfortunately. Look how close it resembles the clip art.
Oh my God.
Wow, that's really
Kotaku
close.
went deep on this. They did the overlay on it.
Analysis. The overlay, yeah.
They did the
It's a heavy move right
They
there.
did the overlay. They really want you to know that they're pissed.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Now somebody's getting fired. So whichever designer submitted this, I was like, look at this original thing. And they're like, hey, excuse me. Did I just pay you $8,000 to barely mod an $80 clip art?
Yeah.
Like someone's getting an email right now because this article is out there. Some design firm, I can't believe you did that to somebody, Will.
I made the logo. I just think that these Street Fighter logos were so iconic, especially the second one.
It's unbelievable. Well,
And
I mean,
yet
the game was enormous.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't hurt, but I'll take that logo, man. Like, let's just do Lou Later like that.
Yeah.
Let's just do Lou Later, but Street Fighter
I like it.
stylings.